Big. What's going on, fishing fam? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here today on one of my favorite lakes with my buddy Ruben, and we got the tubes all rigged up, getting ready to launch. And I'm excited, guys. It's super early. We got tons of grass out here. I got a frog tied up. Last time we came here, frog bite was pretty good. Tons of bait in the grass, bluegills. So we got a bluegill head tied up, and we're gonna toss it around in the grass. I've never caught a bass on that, so that would be super sick. We got the rat, and we also got a weightless setup for a fluke or a 6-inch flush. Look at that swirl right there. Pretty nice swirl. We're already seeing swirls, so I'm excited, guys. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button for more dope content. But without further ado, I think we're gonna get launched. You excited, bro?
Yeah, ready. Super ready.
All right, guys, you gotta love that feeling in the morning when you're just pumped to get on them, huh?
Ready.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. Damn, I should have put new braid on this. Big. Big. That's a big one. Please be on there still.
Nice, dude.
Please be on there. I think he's still there.
You got it, bro? You want me to lift?
I got him still. I told you that grass patch. Oh my God. He had me so fucking stuck in there. I didn't want to get like let loose of the pressure, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, he choked it.
Oh.
Dude, I thought it was so much bigger.
Dude.
Good thing I got that heavy rod, boy. Choked. Grass bass. That'd be like a 4-pounder if he wasn't so skinny.
Nice, dude.
Dude, it looked like a tank when it hit it and went down. I thought it was a giant. Thanks for playing, buddy. I couldn't imagine getting hit and doing that over and over again. Alright, guys, we got this weightless flush right here. We're gonna see if we can't pick off a few of these picky ones that we keep seeing blow up on bait. This is gonna be interesting with this 8-pound mono. I wasn't recording. Damn it. Damn, I wasn't recording, guys, but I just caught one on the glitch. On the drop shot. Damn, that sucks. I don't know why I wasn't recording, but I just got one. Nice one. Like my 3rd cast with the glitch. to loosen my drag a little bit. Damn it. I'm horrible at recording today, guys. Another one on the frog. Swirled it. First one. Yes, sir. Stocky one. Came up and busted that Grinch. Nice one. Hell yeah, I'll take him. Let's go. Let's go. Crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. That fish hit it and swam in with it. That was crazy. That was crazy. I've never had that happen to me. That was nuts. There it is, guys. Number 2 on the black. This one's on the black Savage Gear frog. That was pretty nutty. Pretty damn nutty. Close to a 2. Solid 2 number. See you, buddy. I was like, where's my frog? And then I noticed that my line was coming towards me. I was like, what the hell? Oh, this time. Damn. Gonzo. Well, we got one right away on the black Spro frog, guys. Not sure how well you could see. It was pretty dark. And I'm hearing a lot of swirls inside the toolies. I just tossed the jig around for a few minutes, and we're gonna keep grinding away with this frog. Chill, bro. Destroyed it. Just got number 2 on the black Spro frog. As you can see, he freaking demolished it. I'm unbuttoned. Solid, close to 2-pounder. Fat guy on the black frog. Hey, get him back. See you, buddy. Barely hooked. Big. Hey. Look in there. Get in there now. Yes. 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 Look at that biggin', boys. Ooh, yeah. Look at that biggin'. Look at that biggin' on the frog. Look at that biggin'. Five. It's a 5.2. 5.2 pounds. You guys saw it. Back in. Alright guys, not sure how well you can see, but we just got this beast. 5.2 pounds. Been grinding all day, and it finally paid off with a freaking toad. Look at that thing. Hey, let's go. Look at that mouth. On the black Savage Gear frog, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead, get a release on this big girl. Sorry I had you out of the water so long, girl. That's a mega. Another 5. Second biggest of the year. Are you ready, girl? You ready? Go ahead. She goes. I was sick, guys. We've been grinding all day. Finally landed a big one. Caught 2 early in the morning and then didn't even get bit since like 6:30. It's now about 10 a.m. and we finally got a tank. Super sick. Let's go. Maybe we can stick another one on the way back.